Today, I'm not going to give you a 21-day challenge, not a 90-day plan or another motivational speech that feels good for a moment and then disappears from your mind. Today, I want to share a 24-hour reset system, something that can reset your mind, your energy, and even the direction of your life. But there is one condition. This is not for people who only want to listen. This is for people who are willing to be honest with themselves for just one day. Because the truth is, your life is not stuck because you are weak. Your life feels stuck because deep down, you have been avoiding the truth about yourself. So today, let's change that. Step 1. Choose one day, just one day. Stop scrolling. Avoid TV shows and constant entertainment. Just you and your own mind. And understand something before you begin. This day might feel uncomfortable. You'll feel the urge to check your phone again and again. You'll tell yourself, just 1 minute, just one message. But that exact moment is the most important one. Because when the noise around you disappears, the thoughts you normally avoid begin to surface. The same worries, the same emotions, the same questions, the ones you usually try to escape from. Step 2. The mirror ritual. Stand in front of a mirror. No music, no motivational affirmations. Just look at yourself and ask one simple question. What am I really trying to become? You don't even need to say the answer out loud. Just feel the question. It might feel strange. It might even feel heavy, but that feeling reveals where you have been compromising with yourself. Because until you become honest with yourself, no system and no motivation will truly work. Step 3. Take a notebook and write down just one thing you know you have been avoiding. Maybe it's a habit, or maybe it's a decision you keep postponing again and again. Now pause for a moment and admit it to yourself. For example, I am avoiding my diet plan. I am avoiding my study routine. I am avoiding starting something important. This step does not solve the problem instantly, but it forces you to acknowledge it. And once you acknowledge something, you can no longer ignore it. That is where real change begins. Step 4. Now set a timer for 60 minutes. This 1 hour belongs completely to you. First 20 minutes, focus on your body. Do something physical. Walk, stretch, do push-ups, climb stairs. It doesn't have to be perfect. Movement is what matters. Next 20 minutes, focus on your mind. Write down whatever is going on inside your head. Overthinking, fear, anger, confusion, anything. This process clears mental space and makes your mind feel lighter. Last 20 minutes, just sit quietly. Keep your phone away. You don't need to prove anything to anyone. In this silence, you might notice something surprising. You're not actually too busy. You've just been disconnected from yourself. And this is where clarity slowly begins to appear. If this video inspired you to create change in your life, don't just scroll away. Choose one day. Start from there. Like, subscribe, and share this video with someone who might need it. See you in the next video. Thank you.